This is the third day of speaking to my camera challenge. So yesterday we had a bit issue with our light. They took light, so but we didn't stop there. We continued by making use of our natural light. But today, thankfully, there's light, and I have my lights, my main lights and my limb lights beside me. So today we'll be talking about the three best editing app for me, like three best editing app I've used so far. So the number one of them all is CapCut. CapCut is very nice. Why? Because it's very simple. Everybody can use CapCut. They made it in a way that is friendly. Anybody that has little or no idea can actually make use of CapCut to edit. And the beautiful thing about it is that it has a desktop version of it, and also they have a cloud version. The cloud version means you can also edit online, you understand, without even having the app. You can go online and edit your videos online, and it will be saved in the cloud. So the second app is VN, Video Editor. VN is a very nice app, though I don't normally use it. On my whole video I use CapCut, but VN is a very nice app. But in terms of editing pattern, it looks a little bit complicated, but it's very nice. If you can make use of CapCut way, you can actually make use of VN. So VN has an amazing features in it. It has some amazing animation and also has amazing effects on it. Using VN just like is cool. I normally do export my video to VN once I'm done with CapCut. If I want to achieve some nice effect and all this, VN has a very nice transition and nice effect, no doubt about it. And also VN has a desktop version of it. So the last but not the least is InShot. Well, InShot was one of the first app I started using. It's kind of when I was using my Android, I started InShot. InShot is a very nice and friendly app, and InShot is very simple. But when it comes to CapCut, VN, InShot does not have any face. Like, it doesn't have face towards them, you understand? But the best of them all for me is CapCut. CapCut has been an amazing app, and it's very, very easy. Like, when I mean easy, it's one of the easiest editing app I've come across so far. So if you think that there is another app that is more better than CapCut and InShot, please drop a comment on the comment section. Let's check it out. And also we're going to be doing, the next video we're going to be doing is how to edit with CapCut, InShot and VN. I hope you guys will stay tuned, and love you guys. Thank you.